All right, welcome back. Today I'm going to teach you how to use the word buy. In Thai is ซื้อ okay? ซื้อ is high tone. High tone is go all the way up from like this regular tone and up. High tone ซื้อ okay? Now, hold on. I can't hear anything. I can't hear myself. Hold up. Okay. All right. Now I can hear something. Okay. ซื้อ high tone. So how to use that in a sentence? Okay, here we go. First one. ซื้อของ means buying something. If you say, hey, where you going? I'm gonna go ซื้อของผมจะไปซื้อของผม means I if you're male and you're female or male and everyone else you can just use ฉัน or ฉัน it's the same thing ฉันจะไปซื้อของ means I want to go buy something in the market or supermarket or just in general, just browse. I'm not planning to buy anything, but I'm just gonna plan to buy something because I'm rich. I have money. I want to spend it because it's burning a hole through my pocket. All right? ฉันจะไปซื้อของ means I want to go buy something in the market at the mall. Okay? Just for example, if you're at the mall or department store, I don't know, just say if you're at the movie theater, or at a play, before you get in, you have to buy a ticket. Okay? Now, we call that ซื้อตั๋ว means ticket. You need to buy that before you get in. You can't just walk in. They might arrest you. All right. ซื้อตั๋วผม or ฉันอยากซื้อตั๋ว mean I would like to buy a ticket. Okay? To see a movie, to a play, to whatever. And they're probably going to ask you how many. Okay? Now you have to know the number of how many tickets you want to buy. I created a video in the past counting 1 to 10 and 1 to 100. I don't know. So, I don't think you can buy 100 tickets, but you go back and watch it and learn how to say numbers. Okay? I just say for 2 because you're on a date, right? You're in Thailand. You're on a date. So ฉันอยากซื้อตั๋ว2 ใบ Man, that's a long phrase for you. You want sentence? I'm giving you a sentence. ฉันอยากซื้อตั๋ว2 ใบ Okay? But you can just start with ฉันอยากซื้อตั๋ว and they're going to say how many and you say 2 ใบ Okay? Now, next one. The thing is ตั๋ว can be anything. Can be movie tickets or play tickets, even plane tickets. You want to go home, fly home, right? ซื้อตั๋วเครื่องบิน ตั๋วเครื่องบิน means a plane ticket. But the thing is, today I'm teaching you how to use the word ซื้อ which is buy. All right? So you can buy anything. I want to buy, just say ฉันอยากซื้อ ... whatever it is. A shirt. Yeah, you want to buy a shirt because you've been shirtless for like the whole 2 weeks and people say, hey, you should buy a shirt. I'm like, oh God, okay, fine. I'll go buy a shirt. ฉันอยากซื้อเสื้อ Okay? ฉัน remember? เสื้อ mean actually เสื้อ means shirt. ฉันอยากซื้อ ... whatever it is. เสื้อ กางเกง means pants. Okay? You need that. Seriously. Or ชุด means a dress. Okay? A dress or I don't know, whatever it is. A costume. You want to wear a costume. You want to be a Spider-Man. Okay? Just buy that. Whatever you want. All right? as long as you don't go like naked and going commando or going crazy. Now, another one, if you have a lot of money, just like you don't know what to do with it. ฉันอยากซื้อรถ mean car, or บ้าน means house. ฉันอยากซื้อบ้าน means I want to buy a house because I have nothing else to do with my money. Okay, now that's pretty easy. You know, the word buy, as long as you know what you want to buy. You have to equip yourself with words or nouns or objects or whatever you want to add on to that. I have a YouTube shorts that teaching you all the words and verbs and nouns and objects and action. I don't know, one of those and tons of those stuff, like thousands of them. Okay, so make sure you go there, check it out, because all those words you can put into the sentences. Yeah. My name is Bodo. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe as usual. And I will see you next time. Peace.